Uniswap is expected to drop 16% by February 26, as shown by Traders Union. Let's take a second to assess the current momentum. At this time, Uniswap has risen 22.3% and is positioned around $4.068. Let's look at the forecast from each analyst. Based on CoinDataFlow's data, the price could slide to $3.72 by February 26, a drop of approximately 9.1%. Uniswap could move toward $3.56, according to CoinLore, a move down close to 13%. Crypto Predictions points out it could reach $3.483 on the downside, a projected drop of 14.9%. A separate forecast by Traders Union shows Uniswap might edge down to $3.441, a projected decrease near 16%. Finally, 30 rates sees $3.331 by tomorrow. That's 18.6% down from now. This is the strongest payoff scenario. That sums up 5 expert insights. Let's go to the next. After combining all the analyst predictions, here's the full picture. According to all forecasts, price movement could span from a decline of 18.6% to a drop of 9.1%. So in the end, 30 rates has the top forecast with 18.6% gain in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could earn between $91 and $186 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, CoinDataFlow's forecast is the most reliable, with a 64.4% chance of success. Based on all 5 forecasts, I've calculated a consensus scenario. Taken together, forecasts indicate Uniswap could drop close to 14.3% overall. Let's go a little deeper. From the consensus perspective, the price may go lower by 14.3% by tomorrow. To phrase it clearly, your capital could likewise increase by about 14.3% as part of that scenario. For every 1,000 placed into the position, the forecast could mean around $143 added. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Uniswap is about 11.8%. For the short term, let's see what analysts predict across the 3-day period. CoinDataFlow indicates that prices could dip further. Also, CoinLore highlights a bearish short-term picture. Additionally, Crypto Predictions signals a steady decline. According to Traders Union, the market is likely to trend downward. Also, 30 rates expects a bearish continuation. By merging analyst perspectives, the consensus indicates Uniswap leaning lower in the short term. So, the outcome is unanimous. Uniswap is projected to head lower. Collectively, the majority of views highlight a bearish stance on Uniswap. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts targeted tomorrow. That tomorrow is already gone, so let's review them. By the end of trading, the price was $3.338. 3 out of 5 analysts aligned with the actual market trend. The prediction that stood closest to reality came from 30 rates. Now it's time to break it into parts. Only one forecast landed exactly inside the candle. When it comes to ROI, a few forecasts turned positive, led by 30 rates with 4.6%. And here's the daily recap. The full picture of forecast accuracy in one frame. Digital coin price displayed $0.1 accuracy, 99% forecast probability, and 3.4% ROI. Take a moment to look over the numbers and see who performed best this time. Here's how the income expectations for tomorrow look across multiple assets, including Uniswap. The asset we're focusing on takes the leading spot in tomorrow's comparison with a forecasted return of 14.3%. This comparison features Uniswap with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis, including full analyst performance data, will soon be available on my site and Telegram. If this video made following the forecasts easier, drop a like before you go. It keeps the project running. Stay tuned. Bye.